Hi, my name's Travis, IT support at InterNACHI, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your members-only password. From nachi.org homepage, you can head over to the members-only tab, followed by log in. If you've forgotten your password or your password's not working for some reason, all you need to do is hit the I forgot my password link below the login portal. After that, simply enter your email address and hit enter or click the send password reset link. A password reset link will be sent to your primary email address. Shortly after requesting a password reset, you should receive an email similar to this one. All you need to do on this page is click the blue reset your password button. The next page you'll see will prompt you to enter your username or email address followed by your new secure password. First, enter your username or email address followed by your new desired password. You'll then need to re-enter your new password and click the Save New Password button. After the password reset is successful, you'll be able to log back into your members-only dashboard with your new password. Thanks for joining us for this InterNACHI how-to video, and for support, feel free to reach me at travis@internachi.org.